Hello.
Hey guys.
Hi everybody. Welcome back to our channel. And आज हम आपके साथ कुछ important share करना चाह रहे हैं. But उससे पहले, happy Navratri to all of you.
Happy Navratri, guys.
And we hope that this Navratri brings a lot of joy and a lot of happiness in your house. Or moving on to what we want to tell you today. Actually, if you remember this video that I shared where I said, why we've been away from YouTube for a while, उसका एक major reason जैसे हमने उस time भी बताया था was this particular thing that we want to tell you today, because I think it has kept us busy for quite a while now. And it's been happy busy because this is something we have been waiting to do for quite a long time. And finally, after completing 1 year in Canada, हमने सोचा कि this is the right time to get this thing done. And finally, God willing, हमने वो complete कर लिया है, and today we want to share that with you. Any guesses? If you know what we're talking about without having to scroll to the end of the video, let us know in the comment section कि अगर आपने guess कर लिया है तो. Okay, and before we go any further, अगर आप channel पे नए हैं तो please do subscribe to our channel, and this really helps us, it motivates us to make more videos. And if you like our videos, then do like it and share it with your friends, please. Okay, before taking any more time of everybody, we want to say this, that हमने हमारी first property in Canada खरीद ली है. So yes, that is the big news. We bought a house in Canada. And the where, what, how, all of that हम आपके साथ share करना चाहते हैं. But we want to make sure we do it in the right steps. Because we're going a little bit पीछे in time. I think we're going 2 or 3 months before today, and we want to tell you everything, take you through the entire process, and give you all the tips and tricks we've learned in the process. And उसके लिए हम ये पूरा series बनाने वाले हैं for, I think, the home buying series for first time home buyers in Canada and specifically in the GTA region.
So I think हम लोग का main motivation यही है कि just to give you all the knowledge what we have and what we learned during the process, ताकि आप लोग को भी समझ में आए कि हम लोग ने क्या गलती की है और क्या हम लोग ने किया जिसके वजह से we will be able to buy a house in our after a year in Canada. And we just want to share that, like, if we have done it, like anyone of you guys who are coming to Canada, like who are already in Canada, just thinking of it, can do it. Like it is very possible in Canada.
Exactly, जैसे अक्षय ने बोला, सबका सपना होता है to come to Canada as immigrants and then make your own life here. हमने भी वो किया in the past 1 year, and like if we've done it, I think all of you can do it. It's really that simple, and if you keep following videos, if you keep following what we are telling you, put in your own experiences, I think everybody can do it. Okay, like I said, हम पूरा जो भी हमारा experience है, we'll document it in a series format. So this is going to be how to buy your first house in Canada series. अब उसमें what we are thinking is we're gonna have a few videos. Like the first one is obviously today's video where we're introducing what we done and why exactly did we get into the market this early into coming into Canada. I think वो हम आपसे discuss करना चाहेंगे. The next few episodes are going to be more about how हमने वो journey start की, even starting that thing and taking that step, I think is a huge step in the whole process. So हमने कैसे decide किया कि हम कौन से realtor से contact करेंगे. Then moving on, how did we get into the market of finding out how much we can probably get, as mortgage, like how do we get that? Probably we'll get you to talk to our real estate agent and our mortgage broker. So if you have any questions that you might want to ask them, I think today is the time to put it in the description box, in the comment section. Just put it all there so that हम वो collate करके हम उनसे पूछ पाएं. Right?
We are trying to get him, like we are trying to interview him. So as soon as we get his date or his time, so before that, if we got any of the questions, so हम लोग क्या करेंगे, we'll properly framed it, because we don't want to any of your questions to get missed, and also we also want him to answer as many as you guys have any questions, because हम लोग ने भी जब process start किया था हम लोग को बहुत questions थे, like because the first question is like if you don't know anything about, you're new to the country, you don't know the first step, like पहले क्या करना है, like you know, like even if you have everything, you have a thought कि मेरे को घर खरीदना है, but
How
first
do you
step क्या है,
proceed?
like how do you do it? That's what we are thinking, to make it a series, because we don't want to jump things. We want to make it as detailed as possible ताकि like you get something out of it. Like
Right.
we don't want to just share a journey, we just want to share our experience as well ताकि you guys will learn in every step, and I hope you guys will like it.
Yeah. And till the end, obviously, you know, हमने closing कैसे की, what was the day of closing like, you know, when we
Yeah.
first came into our house, when we got the keys. So all of those things we're going to share with you. Obviously, we'll share where it's at. Obviously, we'll share, you know, what price range did we choose, why we chose, whether we chose a house or a condo or a townhouse, what all, we'll all let you know all of that. And obviously, we'll do the home tour. So stay tuned for all of that. And if you want to make sure you follow all of this, please hit the bell icon. In that case, you know, आपको notifications मिलते रहेंगे जब भी हम नए videos upload करेंगे.
Right.
So that is about the series. But in today's episode, we want to tell you why exactly हमने वो decision लिया. You know, what was the thought process behind it? Because I think अगर हम ये सब सोच रहे हैं, तो I'm sure a lot of you guys who are in the same boat are probably also thinking about it. और शायद हमारे नजरिए से आपकी भी help हो जाए, and
Right.
you kind of have that boost to make that decision.
Right.
So let's talk about that. Alright, okay, so सबसे पहला reason, you know, for us to decide to get into the market was that, you know, you guys must have seen in this video, if you saw, हमने अपना basement tour दिया था. So basically जब हम आए थे Canada, तो हमने first Airbnb में रहे थे obviously, and उसके बाद we had moved into a basement. It was a walkout basement. अगर, you know, people don't know the difference, this is the video where I've spoken about it. So in a walkout basement as well, it is still a basement, right? So हम वहाँ एक साल से रह रहे थे, तो हमें ऐसे लगा कि, you know, now that we have stable jobs, I think we should move out of that basement and maybe, you know, look for another rental place. Maybe a condo, maybe an apartment, or maybe a house, right? तो हमारा वो process already चल रहा था, and by the time, you know, we decided, हमारी lease भी खत्म होने वाली थी. So we had signed a 1-year lease, and that was gonna end. So हमने सोचा कि, you know, जब हम already वो rental apartments ढूंढने के process में जा ही रहे हैं, तो why not give it a try to, you know, buy our own place. So that was the first motivation actually when we started thinking about, you know, actually getting a place.
Yeah. So second, like one of the most important reason among all of them is the market in Canada, like real estate market in Canada. I'm not sure like if you guys are like still watching this in India or any other place, not in Canada, but if you're in Canada, you can probably relate this. यहाँ पे market is going crazy, like shit crazy, I'll say, because market is growing. Like it's not like कि अभी से हो रहा है. I think from couple of years it's growing, and it's growing drastically. Like it's not moving in a way कि you will see a gradual increase, but this is a linear increase every month. If you see, they are exponentially growing this market. So especially I'm not sure about the other part of Canada.
Yeah, especially GTA.
Especially GTA, yeah. Because हम लोग मिस्सागा में रहते थे पहले बेसमेंट में. फिर हम लोग GTA region में, if you see the play, like any of the property, like they are increasing every month. Like if you say,
Just to give you like an idea, हमने एक property देखी थी on, you know, these websites. उसका listing in 2017 or 16. Okay, 2016 it got sold for $600,000, and today it got sold for $900,000. So
Yeah.
within a span of 3 or 4 years or 5 years, it's shot up so massively. So you
Right.
can imagine.
like what can you think of like almost 50% increase in the price in just 3 years. So अभी market बहुत crazy था, और we actually want to get into this because it's a kind of a race condition. मतलब you have to get into the market, otherwise you'll be always behind it.
एंड ऑल्सो हमें नहीं लग रहा था जितना हमने बात किया था इवन विद आर रियल एस्टेट एजेंट एंड एवरीबडी, नोबडी सेड दैट दिस वुड स्लो डाउन, राइट?
Right.
लाइक एवरीबडी वाज एक्सपेक्टिंग कि ये और बूम होगा. आई डोंट नो वेयर इट्स गोइंग टू गो, बट इट्स सो इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर पीपल लाइक अस हु आर कमिंग इन टू द कंट्री न्यू टू गेट इन टू दिस, बिकॉज अगर हम इस रेस में चढ़ नहीं पाएंगे, ये चलती हुई ट्रेन में बैठ नहीं पाएंगे हम लोग, फर्स्ट सीट नहीं मिल पाएगी, तो हम आगे जाके कुछ नहीं कर पाएंगे, राइट? लाइक द प्रॉपर्टी प्राइसेस विल कीप इंक्रीजिंग. इफ वी थिंक कि हम थोड़ा से पैसे इकट्ठा कर लेते हैं और फिर हम घर खरीदेंगे, आई थिंक बाय द टाइम हम वो पैसे इकट्ठा करें, आई थिंक वो घर की प्राइसेस और बढ़ जाएंगी.
Right.
करेक्ट?
And like from my personal experience, I want to say, like, if you are first time home buyer in Canada, like, you don't have to wait for any market if it is a slow or fast, because it's your first house, right? Even let's say if you want to wait for like, how long can you wait? I've known people like who have come in Canada like around 2018, 2017, 2019, they're still waiting for market to crash. Like, why you want to do it? Because it's your first house. Anyways, if you get into the house, तुमने house खरीद लिया and then the market crash, you're anyways not going to sell it, right? You are living in that house. It's your own house where you are living. So I think it's a good decision to start, because मतलब house लेना is more हिम्मत की बात than पैसे की बात. Like, you don't
Yeah.
need that money in Canada to buy a house. And then we will explain you why I'm saying this, that you don't need that money in Canada to buy a house, in our later videos, especially for the first time home buyers. But you actually need a courage to go into it.
Yeah, the courage to think कि आज के बाद से 25 साल तक हमें वो mortgage भरनी पड़ेगी, right?
Yeah.
So that is the courage that you need. So I
But
think
also for that, like, if you want to, you're just deferring it, right? You're not, you're just pushing it. Like, आज नहीं तो next 25 साल, right? अगर 5 साल waste भी कर दिया है, 2 साल wait करने में निकाल दिया, तो next 27 years हो जाएंगे वो, right?
Yeah.
The EMI will start like after 2 years, but still you have to pay for 25 years, 20 years, like whatever you guys taking the loan. Like, mostly तो लोग loan पे लेते हैं house, right?
also the other and the third main reason, which is almost the last reason, which kind of combines with what Akshay was saying, is that property prices तो increase हो ही रहे हैं, right? But the government has done things to keep the mortgage rate in control. So the actual interest rate is kind of very low right now. आप देखोगे तो I think for variable it's around 1.5%, and about fixed mortgage जो है वो around 2.5 के आसपास है. So if you go to see, that is like a major push factor for all of us to kind of buy a house. And अगर आप अपनी maths करेंगे, which we will do for you in the upcoming videos. So if you do your math right, I think आप जितना रेंट भरते हैं, आप उतने ही में अगर आप थोड़ा सा एक्स्ट्रा और डालेंगे पैसे, तो you can put in your
But
mortgage.
it depends on like what kind of property you're looking
Right.
at. It's not like you are looking for $1 million house. Obviously आपके rent जितना नहीं होगा, but like a normal people, like who will be living in a let's say in a basement or in a condo. So whatever these like you guys are paying, like almost you have to pay a little more. Obviously you are paying for your own
house.
your own asset. So I think it's good to put that money in your own asset. And yeah, I think that's what we are trying to do all the calculation. जैसे सपना ने बोला, हम लोग next videos में बताएंगे कि like how this calculation
We'll
works.
do all of that for you. We'll tell you exactly how much extra would we have paid if we bought the same house and if we would have rented the same house. तो क्या आपको वो difference पड़ता है? It's actually minimal if you go to see the cost of owning a property, like they say, right? So it's not that much. And yeah, so that is why if the mortgage rates are low, and it's going to stay low for a few years at least for now, so I think that is a good time for us to invest into the market. So that was another factor, and we could have waited a little longer, like Akshay said, हमारा plan कोई नहीं था घर खरीदने का.
Yes.
हमारा plan ये था कि हम 2 साल यहाँ रहेंगे, कमाएंगे, and then we will look into getting a property. But like they say, right, things when they have to happen, they happen, and we're very happy that it happened, because
Yeah,
I
happens
think
for a good,
I think we've made the right decision, and we will tell you why and everything in the upcoming videos. But before that, like I said, we are going to make a video with our realtor. So please do comment in the comment section कि आपके कोई questions है for realtor,
Yeah,
for
like any kind
mortgage
of questions,
agents.
if you think like you want to ask like how is the market looking right now, what do you think in next 2 years, or because we are not expert in realtor, like we got our knowledge from our research or very little research जो भी हम लोग ने जिस एरिया में कर लिया है मोस्टली हम लोगों ने वहीं किया ज़्यादातर. So like that guy, the realtor is very experienced, like obviously he's professional to this field, so he'll be able to answer more complex questions. So I think if you guys have any questions, just shoot it out, because I think it's a good opportunity for you guys also to get some answers.
Yep.
Yep.
So please let us know in the comment section. Or secondly, these few things, like you see this and this, ये हमारे नए घर की चीज़ें हैं. So giving you a little bit of glimpse of our house, and yeah, that's all we have to say. So stay tuned for all our upcoming videos, because they're going to be super interesting, and let us know in the comment section, and let us know, what do you think we've bought? Have you bought a condo? Have you bought a townhouse? Have you bought a house? Let us know. देखते हैं आपको कितना पता है. Thank you so much. Thank you guys for taking the time out to watch our videos. And if you found it useful, then please do like and share it. And exactly, if you want to see all our videos, the amazing, interesting house buying series, then please do subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye.